Assalamualaikum. In this video, we will see about themes and plugins and what are themes and plugins and why are they used to build a website. Actually, theme control the design, layout and appearance of your WordPress site. On the other hand, plugins add extra functionality to your WordPress site. What's the purpose of theme? Theme can change the look of your website like color, font and layout, etc. But plugins add features like SEO, security, speed optimization, and e-commerce. We use the Cadence theme to build our website. And why we use this theme? Because Cadence is a fast, lightweight, and highly customizable WordPress theme, perfect for business and e-commerce and blog websites. So in this whole video, we will install the theme and install the plugins. The question in your mind is whether you can install or activate more than one theme at a time. So let me tell you, no, only one theme can be activated at a time. Now we are going to install our first theme. For that, you have to first click on Appearance in your dashboard and click on Theme. By clicking Add New Theme, you have to search for Cadence theme. You will see the Cadence theme below and install and activate it. Your Cadence theme is installed and activated. The rest of the themes you have to click on their theme details and delete them. Now this is the look of your site page. Theme we have installed. Now we will install plugins. Go to plugins, add new plugin. Before adding the plugins, let me tell you, as I told you earlier, that we can activate only one theme at a time, but we can use multiple plugins at a time. So whatever plugin you want to add, you simply have to write its name in the search box here. The plugin will be shown below. You simply have to install it and activate it. You can clearly see that we have installed a plugin known as Cadence below. When you go to Appearance and click on Cadence, you can see here which features we have gained by installing Cadence plugin. To unlock Pro features, you have to buy Cadence Pro and Cadence Block Pro, which are paid, but even if you don't buy it, it will still work, but you can't use advanced features. Just like we install the Cadence Block plugin, we will also install the RankMath SEO, LiteSpeed, and WP code through the same process. RankMath SEO is a powerful SEO plugin for optimizing your site. LiteSpeed plugin is a free caching plugin for improving your website speed. For tool sites, WP code plugin is used. It allows custom scripts and code snippets. The last one is the Updraft. It's a free plugin to create backups and restore WordPress sites. As soon as you install it, you have to click on Settings. You will see an interface like this. You have to click on Settings again. You have to set daily on both in backup schedule. Below, you have to click on Google Drive where you want to store all your backup data. As soon as you click on Save Changes, you will add your Google account to which you want to back up your data.